Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video, put on the bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, it will always get to you. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And share this video to people you think that might need it. And to all my new subscribers, you're highly welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. On this channel, we do food and everything food. And to my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always stopping by to support me. So, guys, in today's video, we are making akara. This fluffy, beautiful looking akara. So, if you want to know how I achieved this fluffy akara, keep on watching, guys, and let me take you to the process of making this yummy, beautiful akara. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, for this akara, I'm keeping it very simple. And here is my beans. I'm using the honey beans. You can use the black eye beans. I'm just going to soak these beans in room temperature water for about 3 minutes, and then I'll wash the back out. And here is my long chili pepper. I've already removed the seed, and my onions. I'm going to be blending it together with the beans. Okay, and this is my scotch bonnet pepper and my onions. I'm going to be using it to garnish the akara. Like when I'm done blending, I'll use it to garnish the batter. You can skip the pepper if you don't want. Okay, and guys, this is my beans after washing. I'm just going to add it into my blender now, and I will blend till smooth. When blending your akara, please take note that you don't use much water to blend your akara. Even if you're not using your own blender, if you're taking it out to use the commercial blender, let them know that this beans is for akara, that is not for moi moi. Okay, once you tell them that this is for akara, they already know what to do. They're not going to add much water when they are blending it for you, because what happens that when you use much water to blend your beans for akara, once you add it inside the oil, it's going to scatter all over the place. It's not going to be firm. Okay, so take note, don't use much water to blend your beans for akara. So now I'm just going to add in the beans, the onions, and the seeded chili pepper, and I will blend everything till smooth. And guys, this is my blended beans. So the chili pepper is what will give it that reddish color, like that reddish color. That's the essence of the chili pepper. The pepper is not hot. Okay, that's why I'm adding a scotch bonnet pepper. But if you know that you don't like spicy food, you can just skip that part. Okay, so now this is what you have. So if you now want to achieve that fluffy akara, if you want your akara to be fluffy, you have to go in with your mixer. So yeah, I'm using my hand mixer, but if you don't have a hand mixer, it's okay, just you can just use your egg whisk. Okay, but I don't want to go through that stress of using my egg whisk to mix this, because if you are using your egg whisk to mix this, they are going to take you like about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm just using my hand mixer to make the job easier for me. Okay, I'm just going to whisk this or mix, I don't know, I'm just going to whisk it or mix it until the batter becomes fluffy. So guys, this is what we have. You see how fluffy our batter is looking like. You can even feel it, like it's looking lighter, and as in very light than when I just blended it. It's looking very light, and if you are, you even feel it, you will feel it. So now guys, I'll be adding in my salt, and then I will go in with my scotch bonnet pepper and my onions. I use my hands to chop this, and I'm going to mix everything together. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to heat up my oil. And once this oil gets hot, we start frying our akara. And guys, our oil is hot now. I'm just going to be adding in my onions to this oil for some flavor, okay? And then I'll be adding in the butter. I'll be scooping in the butter. I'm using my spoon. You can use anything you feel comfortable with. I'm frying this on low or medium heat, okay? Make sure that you're not frying on high heat. If not, your curry is going to burn and it will not be cooked inside. And don't fry on low heat. If not, your akara is going to end up soaking a lot of oil, and I'm sure you don't want that. So we are going to fry this on both sides until they are golden brown. So now I'm going to be flipping it to the other side to fry. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, why? Why now? Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel and like the video, okay? And share if at this point you have not shared this video. Please share the video, okay? Share it. Thank you. And guys, our akara is fried now. I'll just take it out from the oil. Tell me you're not loving this already. Just tell me you are not loving it already. Look how beautiful and fluffy this akara is looking like. Just look how beautiful and fluffy this akara is looking like. I hope you are enjoying the video. Let me know in the comment section. And I'm just going to take one now and show you what the inside looks like. Look how beautiful and well cooked the inside is looking like. I hope you have subscribed, like, and hope you have shared this video. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe and what will you be enjoying this akara with. Will you be enjoying it with your pap, your custard? What will you be enjoying it with, or your oats? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And I hope you'll be trying it out. Let me know. Leave your thoughts for me in the comment section, okay? So for me, I'm going to be trying this out with my bread and tea. I'm not a fan of pap, so I'll be enjoying this with my bread and tea. Don't forget to share this video and always watch my ads, okay? If you are watching my video and ad comes up, please do not skip the ad. Always watch the ad, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.
You and me, oh, oh, you and me, oh, you and me.